Hello children, let us continue Unit 5 Basis of Classification. In this video, we will learn about the phylum Chordates with its general features and its example. Most chordates are animals with backbone. These range from small fish to giant whales. Phylum Chordata consists of both invertebrates and vertebrate. Chordates are large and diverse phylum. It includes some 60,000 species. Chordates range in length from about a centimeter to over 30 meters. They live in marine, freshwater, terrestrial, aerial habitat. They can be found from the equator to the poles. Chordates are divided into three subphyla: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and vertebrates. Characteristic of chordates: segmented body with a coelom, body is bilateral symmetrical, have complete digestive system and closed circulatory system. Nervous system is centralized. All three groups are characterized by possession of notochord, a dorsal hollow tubular nerve cord, pharyngeal slit, an endostyle or thyroid gland, and a post-anal tail. In some chordate, all four traits persist throughout life and serve important function. However, in many chordates, including human, all four traits are present only during the embryonic stage. After that, some of the traits disappear or develop into other organ. For example, in human, pharyngeal slits are present in embryos and later develop into the middle ear. Phylum Chordata is divided into 5 common classes: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. Characteristic features of vertebrata: these animals have a true vertebral column and internal skeleton. The members of subphylum Vertebrata possess notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. They have a ventral muscular heart with 2, 3, or 4 chambers, kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation, and paired appendages which may be fins or limbs. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomic, and segmented with complex differentiation of body tissue and organs. Now, let us see different types of chordates. Phylum Chordates. In that, first one is class fishes. Characteristic features of fishes: the body is streamlined and a muscular tail is used for movement. Their skin is covered with scales. They are cold-blooded. Their heart have only 2 chambers. Some fish skeleton are made entirely of cartilage. Example, shark. And some with a skeleton made of both bones and cartilage. Example, cutla. Second class is amphibia. Amphibia means, amphi means dual, that is two-way. Bios means life. We can see the frog both in water and on land. So, frog, crocodile, tortoise, turtle are amphibians. They can live both on land and in water. Characteristic features of amphibia: Skin is moist without scale, that is, presence of mucus gland makes the skin moist. The eyes have eyelid. A tympanum represents the ear. Respiration is through gills, lungs, and skin. They have three-chambered heart. They are cold-blooded animals. Example of amphibia are frog, salamander. The third class is Reptilia. Reptilia means the animal which can crawl. They are terrestrial animals, body covered by dry and conified skin, epidermal scales or scars. Heart is three-chambered, but crocodile have four-chambered. It is a cold-blooded animal. Reptiles, most of the reptiles, we can see the shedding of their skin, that is casting of their skin. In this video we can see the casting of lizard and the snake. Next class is Reptilia. Example of Reptilia is lizard, and the another one is crocodile. The next class is aves. Characteristic features of aves: body is covered with feathers. Forelimbs are modified into wings, so most of them can fly except ostrich. Hind limbs help in walking, swimming, etc. Oil gland is present at the base of the tail. Aves are warm-blooded. They respire through lungs. They have four-chambered heart. Example of aves are hen, ostrich, etc. The last class is the mammalia. The basic characteristic of mammals are: body is covered with hair. It is a warm-blooded animal, possess projecting external ears. They breathe through the lungs, give birth to young ones. Young ones suckle milk from mammary gland present in mothers, usually have tails and four limbs. Mammals have four-chambered heart. Example of mammalia are duckbill, platypus, dog, etc. In the next video, we will see the classification of plants. Children, thank you, children.